Mark for Future bilingual kindergarten and primary school, music and technology major. You might have heard of STEM Education, which integrates knowledge across 4 subjects: science, technology, engineering and mathematics. This approach emphasises hands-on practice and activities, enabling students to develop various skills including problem solving, analytical thinking, teamwork, communication and digital skills, among others. Mark for Future School is well aware of the benefits of STEM and has tailored its application to suit our school's unique focus on music. Our adapted model is called STEMMA, S-T-E-M-M-A. S, Science, T, Technology, E, Engineering, M, Mathematics, M, Music,